Hi guys, today onwards we will see a lecture series on nervous system. Okay, here basically this today's there is part one of this lecture series. First is part one. In this part we will see a basic introduction about the nervous system. Okay, it is a topic is nervous system. What is exact means by nervous system? Nervous system is the nervous system is a chief basic controlling and coordination or coordinating system of a body. Okay, what is mean by nervous system? Nervous system is a chief controlling and coordinating system of a body. Okay, it is a nervous system. Now what is the classification of nervous system? Is the actual classification of the nervous system according to the many author provides a different classification about the nervous system, but the main or the actual classification of nervous systems we will see here. Okay, yes, the nervous system is classified into two types. One is our central nervous system, and another is our peripheral nervous system. Okay, the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Now, this central nervous system constitute of these two main organs, that is called, yes, exactly, that is brain and the spinal cord. Okay, brain and spinal cord. This is the main constituents of this central nervous system is brain and the spinal cord. Let me take it is our brain. Okay, this is our cerebellum. There is cerebrum, and it is bones and medulla and the spinal cord. Okay, next is our peripheral nervous system. This peripheral nervous system is divided into these two main important here. The classification is very important to see here. This peripheral nervous system is basically divided into one, yes, one is sensory peripheral nervous system and another is motor peripheral nervous system. Okay, this peripheral nervous system is divided into sensory and motor. Okay, now what exactly it means sensory and motor here? The many people confuse here how I written this sensory and motor here. Let's me explain here. This whenever there is a pain or touch sensation here on my skin, this is peripheral nervous system means here is a brain and spinal cord is belongs to central nervous system. From the brain they from this brain they have 12 cranial nerve, and this from the spinal cord they have 31 spinal nerve. Okay, 31 pair of spinal nerve, they are supplied to all over the body. Okay, whenever there is a feeling of touch sensation on my skin, these sensory nerves takes the information to the spinal cord and eventually to the brain, and then there is a motor respond. Okay, it means the sensory, it means I will write here like this. Okay, this is a sensory information goes to the from the peripheral nervous system comes to the where, that is to the central nervous system, brain and the spinal cord. Okay, central nervous system, and from the central nervous system there is a motor nerve. Okay, that is motor nerve supplied to the again to the peripheral nervous system, and this peripheral nervous system, in that there is a motor peripheral nervous system. This response is supplied to this motor peripheral nervous system, and these motor peripheral nervous system gives a signals to these muscles, whatever the muscles involves in that situation to contract and to pull out that hand from there. Okay, now this sensory nervous system is again divided into, yes, sensory nervous system is again divided into, one is, yes, general sensation, general sensation, another is spatial sensation. Okay, spatial sensation. Now what is meant by general sensation and spatial sensation? Here, don't tell me like the general sensations are general and spatial sensations are spatial. Okay, because these general sensations are those sensation that involves that sensed by many part of the body. Okay, that is sensed by the many part of the body, and the spatial sensation is that sensation that is sensed by the uh, few part of a body or a unique part of a body. Like it is, I am seeing something, it is here, that is that seeing is only sensed by this our eye, not by our other part of a body. Okay, like our skin can't see that object. Okay, eyes can see that object. This sensation is known as a spatial sensation. Okay, like here special sensations are, we have special sensation that is vision. First is vision, next second is taste, smell, next is, okay, hearing. Okay, hearing. These are the spatial sensation. Next, coming to the general sensation, two types. One is somatic sensation, somatic sensation, and visceral sensation. Okay, somatic sensation and the visceral sensation. In the somatic sensation, that is sensed by the physical body. Okay, that is, if there is a pain, that is sensed by our, here skin is there, that is a general sensation. Okay, this general sensation, I hope it is clear. Now this coming to this motor peripheral nervous system. This motor peripheral nervous system is divided into two types. One is our motor peripheral nervous is divided into somatic motor, somatic motor. Next is autonomic nervous system. Okay, this is very important. The autonomic nervous system has another detailed video about only the autonomic nervous system. This somatic motor nervous system, it means there is a, if there is an example of taking this somatic nervous system, is the example of this somatic motor is, if anything, if it is there, food is there, I take and I eat. Okay, there is a somatic motor. The food goes inside the esophagus and the stomach and the intestine, all these things. There is a occurrence of peristaltic movement and the digestion and absorption in the stomach. It is controlled, it is not in our control. Okay, it is a involuntary. Now this is come under the autonomic nervous system. Motor nervous, somatic motor is to take or to involve, there is a involvement of the muscles in this autonomic nervous system is, there is in control. Okay, there is, we can't control that. Okay, that is known as autonomic nervous system. Okay, this is the main actual classification of this nervous system is, let's recap here. These central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is brain and the spinal cord, and this peripheral nervous system is divided into sensory PNS and the motor PNS. That is nothing but motor peripheral nervous system. And the sensory nervous system is divided into general sensation and the spatial sensation, and this general sensation is again divided into somatic sensations and the visceral sensation. Next is spatial senses is vision, hear, uh, taste and the smell. Okay, next is our motor peripheral nervous system is divided into somatic motor and the automatic nervous system. Okay, this is all about the classification of this nervous system. Next we will see the, yes, next that is the cellular component of nervous system is the structural and functional unit is of nervous system is, yes, neuron. Okay, it is our neuron. Neuron is a structural and functional unit. Okay, next, this neuron, what is this neuron exactly? It is here, this let me take the here. I'm not able to try. Okay, yes, 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 sir. Yes, what is that? Yes, yes, it is neuron. Shall we name here? It is our dendrites, and it is a nucleus, and it is a cytoplasm of this cytoplasm of this neuron. This line is called axon. It is a myelin sheath, and these are the cells, that is Scaven cells. Scaven cells, and there is a cell body, you can say here. It is a dendrites, axons. It is axons terminal. Okay, axon terminal. Okay, these are the axon terminal. Okay, this is the cellular component of nervous system. Next, we will see the types of neuron here. The types of neurons are the classification of neuron is depend upon the many things. Okay, like it is the neurons are classified according to the number of process, according to their number of process, according to their number of their process. Okay, according to their number of these processes. First, we have unipolar neuron. Next, bipolar neuron. Next, we have multipolar neuron. Okay, next, four we have pseudo unipolar, pseudo unipolar. This is the types of neuron according to their number of their processes. Okay, there is a unipolar, bipolar, multipolar, and the pseudo unipolar. Okay, next, neurons is classified according to their functions, according to their functions. Yes, according to their functions are, first is sensory neuron, motor neuron. Third is parasympathetic, parasympathetic. Fourth is sympathetic. Sensory, motor, sympathetic, and the parasympathetic neurons. They are the types of neurons. In next lecture, we will see the neurotransmitters and the supportive tissues of the nervous systems and the nerve impulse. Okay, I hope you will understand this topic. If any doubt is there, let me know in our comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more. Thank you.